Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new, please make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. In today's demonstration or video, I'll show you 6 best quotations against problem that can help you get out of your problems and get healed. So let's get started. Before proceeding to quotations, let me explain you the word problem and some synonyms, some words we can use instead of the word problem. Problem, it has a lot of meanings. In general, a question raised for inquiry, that is a problem. In mathematics, it's different. Problem is something different than inquiry. But in general, we are talking about problem, the situation, the state which is difficult to deal, vexation, frustration, that all words we can use instead of problem. Now let's go through some quotations that help you get out of your problems. The first one is, it is said, when surrounded by difficulties in life, keep low, speak less, till the storm passes. That's the first solution to your problems. The very second is, learn to laugh at your problems, because everybody else does. Like all people have problems. Try to learn to laugh like them. The third one, solve the problem or leave the problem. Don't live with the problem. Like whatever you have a problem. That is a home problem, work problem, your personal private life problem. You have to deal with that. You have to deal on the time. Timely deal is required. The fourth one is, sometimes the easiest way to solve a problem is to stop participating in the problem. The fifth quotation is similar to fourth quotation. That is, running away from any problem only increases the distance from the solution. The easiest way to escape from the problem is to solve it. It simply means, if you are making a gap between you and your problem, that is not the solution. That you are making a huge gap that is increasing your problems. The best way is to solve it. Come closer, diagnose your problem, find a very suitable solution to your problem on time. The very last but not least, failures are a part of life. If you don't fail, you will never learn. If you don't learn, you will never change. In the last quotation, if we change the word failures to the problems, that's not that bad. It simply says, if you have problems in your life, that's okay. Everybody does. But if you have problems, don't give up. Don't bow down. Just stand straight. Focus in the future. Don't explain. Don't argue with people for the problems you have. Just try to find the solution to problems and live a very happy life.